like to go to the Takalo, we do the way we don't move along, so we have to go. I mean, you know, Takalo, how I'm talking about go.
That's it?
Oh, wow!
Wow!
Okay,
There you go. Come sit down.
Okay. Here goes. We're saying we bless the cake now, okay?
Yep.
Matua na live go away ki mga hunay, go away ki moya Sifa ni fo ki angi koi, go away ki keke go mamuna ki kaya e mautolo mo fia kung nina mai to manaosi. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Okay.
Come on, let's
blow the cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Have you already blessed the floor?
Yeah. Oh yeah, seafood chowder.
Hi guys, what's up with my food?
You want to say something?
Oh, happy birthday, Sifa. Oh, Vaughynn. Wow. Good luck to James and your family up there. Happy birthday, Sifa. Wow, wish you all the very best. Appreciate you. Yeah, Belinda. Oh, yeah.
Qualquer thing.
Happy birthday, Auntie Sifa.
Any words, mate, for Auntie Sifa?
Yes, happiest birthday, Auntie Sifa. You brought a meal and spread for us to eat, so we're very grateful. Thank you for the seafood chowder, and thank you for the sushi bake, and all the time we brought something to celebrate your birthday. Yeah, love this so much, and I love you so much, Auntie. Happy birthday. What do we know? You have fun now. We're going.
Any words for Sifa.
Sifa, unuina limo mahiba daw hau. Porque a tua de uma longa flua lá na coi, hawa mga pawa. Quando lá a pouco que eu afirmia, na hada tolo de mga pawa. Aí a unuina mahiba daw hau, mas Sifa, happy birthday and God bless you.
Here's the soso mai. He killed it. He only learned to it one day.
It's like 3 hours practice so far. Shout out to Elijah for us. So my practice. Oh, hey, you want to go?
Nice.
Have a man?
Hey, hey. This is the seafood chowder.
Hi Sifa, I'm just wishing you a happy birthday. I thought it said 56 but the candle was upside down, so happy 59th must be the big milestone birthday next year. So I'm going to whanau hao.